Okay, we're going to go through nearly all of the digestive structures here on this digestive board model. We're going to start up here. We've got the lips or labia, the teeth, the oral cavity, and the tongue. We've got the hard palate and the soft palate and the uvula. This region here is known as the nasopharynx. This region here is the oropharynx. And then this region here is the laryngopharynx. Within the oropharynx, we have the palatine tonsils and the lingual tonsils. And we have the epiglottis here within a portion of the laryngopharynx. Finally, we have the esophagus until we get a lower view of this model. We have the stomach here, right? Let's go over the regions of the stomach. We have the cardia region of the stomach, the fundus, the body, and the pylorus. This curvature here is known as the greater curvature. This curvature here is the lesser curvature. In the internal structures here, we've got the lower esophageal sphincter, otherwise known as the cardiac sphincter. And we have the pyloric sphincter here. And then any of these ridges within the inside of the stomach are known as the gastric folds or rugae. We've got the pancreas here, and within it we've got the main pancreatic duct here, as well as the accessory pancreatic duct here. The main pancreatic duct is going to conjoin with the common bile duct, seen here in green, to form this duct, for which its outlet here is known as the hepatopancreatic sphincter, otherwise known as the sphincter of Oddi. This view is the duodenum. Focusing our attention on the intestines here, we have the small intestine here, as well as the duodenum for the small intestine here. We've got the jejunum, which is located here, and the ileum, which is here. And the ileum is going to end in its connection to the large intestine here. And in this portion here, where it dumps its contents into the actual cecum, this is known as the ileocecal valve. This structure here is known as the cecum, and this is the appendix or the vermiform appendix. The ascending colon, transverse colon, and descending colon, as well as a portion of the sigmoid colon, can be seen here. We've also got this line that runs across the colon here, known as the teniae coli. So teniae coli, and then these muscular folds seen externally on the large intestine are known as the haustra. Now, where the ascending and transverse colons meet, we have the right colic flexure, otherwise known as the hepatic flexure, and where the transverse colon and descending colon meet, we have the left colic or splenic flexure. Focusing our attention down here, we have the rectum, the anal canal, and then finally the anus is the very opening to the anal canal. And we have the internal anal sphincter here and here, as well as the external anal sphincter here and here. From this view, we get a better view of the inferior structures of the liver here. Now, we've got the right hepatic duct and the left hepatic duct. And these two ducts merge together into the common hepatic duct. And then the common hepatic duct merges with the cystic duct to form common bile duct. In this view, we can also see the hepatic portal vein and the hepatic artery proper, as well as the gallbladder, obviously, and the round ligament. And here is the inferior vena cava.